Forget the traditional 9 to 5 grind. It's time to forge your own path and build something extraordinary. This is the year to turn your passions into profits. Now more than ever, the power lies in your hands. The digital landscape is ripe with potential. From e-commerce to online education, the possibilities are limitless. But amidst this sea of opportunities, one platform stands out as a beacon of entrepreneurial gold: YouTube. And the best part, you don't need a business degree or a trust fund to get started. Individuals just like you, most armed with a camera and a dream, are building thriving businesses from the ground up. And you can too, whether you're passionate about cooking, gaming, or teaching the world how to knit. YouTube offers a platform to share your knowledge and monetize your expertise. It's a gold rush waiting to be mined. YouTube isn't just a place to watch funny cat videos, it's a global phenomenon. With billions of active users, YouTube has become a cultural force. It's a place where people go to learn, to be entertained, and to connect with others who share their interests. But beyond the surface lies a world of untapped business potential. Think of YouTube as a giant search engine. Every minute, countless users search for information, entertainment, and inspiration. They're looking for answers, for guidance, and for someone who speaks their language. This is where you come in. By creating high-quality content that caters to a specific audience, you can position yourself as an authority in your niche. But it's not just about creating content, it's about building a community. YouTube provides a unique opportunity to connect with your audience on a personal level, engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of belonging. This sense of community is invaluable. It's what transforms casual viewers into loyal fans who are eager to support your work. Now you might be wondering, why YouTube? Why not another platform? The answer is simple: passive income. Unlike a traditional job where you trade time for money, YouTube allows you to earn money while you sleep. Once you've created a video, it has the potential to generate revenue for years to come. Imagine waking up to find that your videos have earned you money overnight. That's the power of passive income. And YouTube makes it possible through a variety of monetization methods, from ads to sponsorships. You can turn your passion project into a sustainable source of income. But it's not just about the money. YouTube offers something far more valuable: freedom. Freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Freedom to set your own hours. Freedom to be your own boss. This is the true allure of YouTube entrepreneurship. It's about designing a life on your own terms. Now, let's talk strategy. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a deep understanding of the platform. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right approach, anyone can achieve YouTube success. It all starts with a solid foundation. First and foremost, you need to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge or skills can you share with the world? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating high-quality content that provides value to your target audience. Remember, content is king. Next, you need to optimize your channel for discoverability. This means using relevant keywords, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and writing compelling titles and descriptions that entice viewers to click. The YouTube algorithm is a complex beast, but by understanding how it works, you can increase your chances of getting seen. Let's dive deeper into the heart of YouTube's success: content. Your content is your voice, your message, your unique contribution to the world. It's what will draw viewers in, keep them engaged, and turn them into loyal subscribers. So how do you create content that stands out from the crowd? First and foremost, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few exceptional videos than a dozen mediocre ones. Invest in good lighting, clear audio, and editing software that enhances your videos. Remember, you're competing for attention in a sea of content. Make sure yours is top-notch. Next, understand your audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? What kind of content resonates with them? By understanding your audience's needs and desires, you can create videos that provide real value and keep them coming back for more. The algorithm whisperer, decoding YouTube's secrets. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the YouTube algorithm. This mysterious force can make or break your channel, but don't let it intimidate you. By understanding how it works, you can use it to your advantage. Think of the algorithm as a matchmaker. Its job is to connect viewers with the content they'll find most engaging. One of the key factors the algorithm considers is watch time. The longer viewers watch your videos, the more the algorithm perceives your content as valuable. So how do you keep viewers glued to their screens? Create compelling narratives, use cliffhangers, and keep your videos concise and to the point. Engagement is another crucial factor. The algorithm loves it when viewers like, comment, and share your videos. Encourage interaction by asking questions, responding to comments, and creating a sense of community around your channel. The more engaged your audience, the more the algorithm will reward you. Beyond ads, diversifying your revenue streams. While ads are a common way to monetize your YouTube channel, they're not the only option. In fact, relying solely on ad revenue can be risky. That's why it's essential to diversify your income streams. Think of your YouTube channel as a business. Just like any successful business, you need multiple revenue streams to ensure stability and growth. One lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. You get to recommend products you believe in, and you earn money while doing so. Another option is to sell your own products or services. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to merchandise and consulting services. By leveraging your YouTube audience and establishing yourself as an expert in your niche, you can create a loyal customer base eager to support your work. The community effect, cultivating a loyal tribe. One of the most powerful aspects of YouTube is the sense of community it fosters. Unlike traditional media, YouTube allows for direct interaction between creators and viewers. This creates a unique opportunity to build relationships, foster loyalty, and turn casual viewers into raving fans. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking questions, and creating content that reflects their interests. Host live Q&A sessions, create polls, and run contests to keep your audience engaged and invested in your channel. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. Building a strong community around your channel offers more than just warm and fuzzy feelings. It translates into tangible benefits such as increased watch time, higher engagement rates, and ultimately greater revenue potential. Your community is your most valuable asset. Nurture it, cherish it, and watch it flourish. Ready to strike gold? Your journey starts now. So, there you have it. The world of YouTube awaits, ripe with opportunity for those bold enough to seize it. Remember, success on YouTube is not about luck. It's about passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's about creating valuable content, building a loyal community, and treating your channel like the business it is. If you're ready to take the plunge and unlock the incredible income potential of YouTube, I encourage you to take the next step. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm recommending a free webinar where they will dive deeper into the strategies and tactics that will help you achieve YouTube success. Click the link in the description to reserve your spot. I'm also recommending an ebook that addresses how to make money online. The information is also listed in the description of this video. Your journey to entrepreneurial freedom starts now.